Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Jason here. I'm going to give you a great video here on a brand new product that you can get from us. This is a Loadmac 855 4-way. Now, all Loadmacs have extended reach. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. You can reach across the deck. It's a standard feature, which you will pay big bucks for with our competition. Also, ladies and gentlemen, this thing is mountable and unmountable from the ground. Save yourself a lot of time, headaches, and injuries. Your men can be more safe this way. Now, when you start this thing up, you can load it, unload it, tilt, get it right where it needs to be without getting on it. You can do it right. It's called foot on the ground. That's a big advantage for you and against our competition as well. Now, I'm going to take a show and you look here. We have a fully compliant Tier 4 final Hatz engine here, lots of horsepower. This thing will get the job done. Now you get yourself a 2-year warranty with the Loadmac. So when you buy this, we're going to back it up for 2 years. You get a factory direct warranty. It'll be backed up by our dealerships and by the national dealer where there is not a dealership. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we will use your personal shop. We'll find a shop where you're at if we don't have a dealer in the area, and you will get full service from us. We will back this thing up for 2 years. Take a look here. You have nice controls. Now we're going to go ahead, fire it up, just show you a little bit of operation so you can see. This is 5,500 pound capacity. We're going to bring the mast up. We're going to show you tilt. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this tilt mechanism here makes yourself much more safe. The whole mast isn't moving. It's just the end here. Much more stable. We'll show you the side shift as well. Now we'll extend out the mast and show you your double reach here. This is your extra reach. Comes standard in all Loadmac 855s. Okay, Levi's going to go ahead and take the mast up, show you 4-way. You have to take your mast back into position here, lock it back, and then you bring it up. Now you can put it in a 4-way mode. Now, ladies and gentlemen, what this does here is you can take this forklift through a tight area with long pieces of material. It's fully steerable, ladies and gentlemen. Once you get through your obstacle, you just take it back into 2-way mode. And you're good to go. Now, also, ladies and gentlemen, you have all lights here, backup alarm. This thing's so quiet, purrs like a kitten. It's going to be easy on your ears compared to our competition as well. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this baby even has a horn. We're going to do the horn. So this is a great thing here. So remember, you have your back mount here. You have yourself your tilt and side shift on the end of the mast, ladies and gentlemen. This thing is just going to do the job. We're going to back you up for 2 years. You can give us a call, 260-238-4998, and get yourself one ordered. We have some in stock. We have quite a few, a couple dozen in stock, so you can hit the ground running if you want to right away. You can also check us out on the web, 99lifts.com, 99lifts.com. Thanks for checking out this video.